Ladies and gentlemen, we have just safely landed at the Western Pearson International Airport in Toronto. The local time 8:55 p.m. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will indicate that we have passed our gate position. Please check around your seats for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and please exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as heavy articles may have shifted around during the flight. We kindly ask that you refrain from placing any heavy luggage on the seats or armrests. If you are traveling on and require any assistance, please check with our customer service agents in the terminal. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. You are reminded that smoking is prohibited except in designated smoking areas outside terminal buildings. And ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of our flight to BW6004 for today. It was indeed a pleasure having you on board, and most certainly enjoyed your company. And on behalf of Captain Dexter Bash, First Officer Michael Almando, myself, Peaches Vidal, and the rest of this lovely in-flight team, we would like to thank you all for choosing the services of Caribbean Airlines, and we do hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you, and goodbye.